Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are woman t-shirt mockup. You can easily download from our website. I will leave the download link in the description. This is URL file. You need to extract this, and here these are woman t-shirt mockup. So these are 10 mockup almost. Let me open this. I'm just wait. Here you can see this shadows, t-shirt base, mockup, background, completely customizable, and here is second. You can see one t-shirt mockup, shadow, drag your design here. You can add your own design here again. Just a sample. Control S to save this, and you can see here. And here are the just a quick preview. You can see again shadows and so that's in the video. I hope this data is useful for you. Thank you. Take care.